We are fixing your lagging or crashing Google Chrome by turning off hardware acceleration right now. Open your Chrome browser and head straight to the top right corner where you see the three vertical dots. Click on that icon to open the main menu. Scroll down through the options and click on Settings. Once you are inside the Settings menu, look over at the left-hand panel. Scroll down to where it says System and click on it. In the main window, you will see an option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. In newer Chrome wording, as you can see on the screen, the setting is called Use Graphics Acceleration when available, but it controls the same feature. Right now, that is likely toggled on. Click on that toggle to turn it off. The moment you switch it off, a new button labeled Relaunch will pop up right next to it. Go ahead and click Relaunch to restart your browser and apply the change. Now, the important thing to understand is why we are disabling this feature and what the catch is. Most people turn this setting off as a troubleshooting step when Chrome is causing system freezes, random crashes, black screens, or bad video playback. Disabling it helps if your graphics card driver is buggy or incompatible with how Chrome renders pages, forcing the browser to fall back to software rendering instead. However, this change goes both ways. When you turn hardware acceleration off, your computer processor has to do all the heavy lifting. Leaving it enabled actually reduces your CPU load and significantly improves your performance when handling animations, complex web apps, and smooth video streams. Because of this trade-off, a good rule of thumb is to keep it off only while troubleshooting. If your browser becomes much slower or less stable after turning it off, you should simply back out of your tabs, return to the system settings, and toggle it back on. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.